There are problems, and we're going to see one right now where integration by parts is going to be used more than once in the same problem. Boy, doesn't that sound exciting? Good thing you got out of bed for this morning. All right, so remember, integration by parts is commonly used when you have a product like we do here, and we're going to turn this into uv minus integral v du. Okay, we have to decide over here what's u and what's dv. So I'm going to pick a u and a dv. So remember, for u, we want something that's getting simpler as we take the derivative of it. So we don't want to pick sine because the derivative of sine is just cosine. That's not really getting simpler. But x squared is a good choice. So that's going to make du 2x dx. And that forces dv to be sine x, which makes v negative cosine x. I think that sounds right. Okay, so we're going to plug these things in. Okay, so that gives us u is x squared, v is cosine x, and oh, it's negative, so I'm going to put the negative out here. Okay. Minus, and then v is negative cosine x. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that negative out here, make that a plus. And then du is 2x dx. Okay, so this is a great start, but you'll see in this integration over here, cosine x times 2x dx, we still can't integrate that because that's another product. So we're going to use integration by parts again. Now, this first part is fine. You can just leave that alone. And we're going to do integration by parts again. We'll switch to pink here. So in this part, we're going to do another uv minus v du. And we have to decide here what's u and what's dv. So again, for u, we want to pick the thing that's going to get simpler, which is going to be our 2x. Let's try that again. Which makes dv is going to have to be cosine x dx. Okay, so that makes du 2 dx, and that makes v sine x. Okay, so remember this part just stays the same. And then we have this uv, so u is 2x, v is sine x, minus integral of v, which is sine x, du, which is 2 dx. All right, so negative x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x, that's all fine. Leave that alone. Over here, I'm going to pull that 2 out, and we just need the antiderivative of sine, which we can do. So we get negative x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x minus 2. Antiderivative of sine is negative cosine, so change the sign on that, plus c. I'm going to check my notes and make sure I didn't lead you astray. But our answer should be negative x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x plus 2 cosine x plus c. Fantastic. I'll do number 4.5 in the next video because obviously I need to erase, need more space.